Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to calculate an NDVI in ArcGIS for using Sentinel-2 data. So to proceed with this, we just come to search toolbar, then we write raster calculator, then click on the raster calculator special analyst, then we use the formula ban 5 minus ban 4 over ban 5 plus ban 4 to calculate NDVI as follows. You just write ban 5 minus ban 4 and then divide by open bracket ban 5 plus ban 4 close the bracket, and then since these we are playing with float numbers, we must write float in front of this calculation. For example, for the top one, I may cut this one, then write, you can choose from here float, then paste. Also here I can cut, then write float, and then choose your output location. Yeah, here NDVI. For my case, just Wadi Yuba. Then save. Then compute. May take a while. Since I choose large area, maybe that's why it's taking time. Yeah, here is the result. Yeah, here we go. So this is our result. You can just play with this color like this, like this. If you want to see the results, you can just use identify tool and then see for the results. This is the 0.19, here 0.022, and the highest NDVI is, yeah, okay, about 0.39. Thank you.